Okay, to my YouTubers, I broke my drone and the little metal pieces popped out of it, like right here and right here. Right there. They popped out of the things, but you can fix it with a shish kebab stick, because the shish kebab stick is like slim at the bottom. Like this bottom part is slim, then the top part is round, but this bottom part is slimmer. So you just take the shish kebab stick and an X-Acto knife, and then you carve that wood to the size of that chip. But it's gonna fit right down in the inside of there though. But you gotta make the point of the stick narrow, because the bottom of it is narrow. And then my little dumb ugly fucking self, I done put the wings on backwards. I put the wings, the front wings on the back, back wings on the front. So yes, it flew and went crazy. You hear me? Fire up.